there, kids! Spiderman here, swinging into your day with some fun chatter. Did you know spiders don't get stuck in their own webs? Pretty cool, right? I mean, if I got tangled in my web, crime fighting would turn into one big sticky mess. But hey, speaking of sticky situations, what's up with peanut butter sandwiches? You know that moment when you take a bite and it feels like your mouth just turned into a glue factory? Like, help, I'm stuck. I'm pretty sure even supervillains wouldn't dare take on peanut butter. Now here's something wild. Did you know an octopus has 3 hearts? 3? Imagine the workout they get on Valentine's Day. One heart's like, I love you. The second one's like, I love you more. And the third one's just there, silently pumping away like, guys, I'm working here. And let's not forget the animal kingdom's fastest puncher, the mantis shrimp. This little dude can punch so fast it boils water. Imagine if I had mantis shrimp powers instead of webs. Bam, villain! Consider yourself shrimpy punched! Although, I don't think Mantis Shrimp Man would make a great superhero name. Oh, here's a question for you. If you could have any superpower, what would it be? Flying, super strength. How about the power to eat unlimited ice cream without a single brain freeze? That's the dream right there. Now, have you ever wondered why we call it a hot dog? It's not hot, and it's definitely not a dog. Whoever named it must have been like, hey, close enough. But hey, at least it's not called a lukewarm sausage. Speaking of sausages, let me tell you about my friend Hulk. One time, he tried to grill sausages for a barbecue. Let's just say the sausages were, well, pulverized into sausage dust. He's great in a fight, but maybe not so much in the kitchen. All right, kids, until next time, bye.